Today, I am sharing with you guys some tips on how to clean home. For more tips and videos, please follow us on Instagram. Enjoy! Tip number 1. Crafting a purposeful daily routine and building lasting habits. Especially with kids and pets. It's easy to get caught up in comparing ourselves to others, but your family's dynamics, the ages of your kids, and the number of pets you have all play a significant role in shaping an effective routine. I completely agree with the idea that clean begets clean. When the space is organized and tidy, it's easier for everyone to contribute to keeping it that way. Your point about making the bed is spot on. Small habits like this can have a big impact on setting a positive tone for the day. The analogy of an out-of-place item being more noticeable in a clean environment is a great way to emphasize the importance of order. Addressing the daily challenges, such as vacuuming due to pet hair, highlights the commitment needed to maintain a clean space. Investing in quality tools, like a good vacuum for different areas of the house, shows a practical approach to dealing with specific challenges. Your approach to handling dishes by doing them after each meal is a practical tip. A clean kitchen before going to bed can indeed make a significant difference in starting the next day on a positive note. Overall, your perspective on establishing habits that work for your family is relatable and valuable. It's a reminder that there's no one-size-fits-all solution, and the key is finding what works best for your unique circumstances. Thank you. Tip number 2 is up.